Hello and welcome. This is Kevin, also known as AWOL, and today we're going to work with this pattern. This is pattern 108816 on friendshipbracelets.net. Let me just grab a little sample of it and bring it over here, paste it in. Gosh, that's tiny. All right, first we're going to the layer, transform, and rotate it. Doesn't matter which direction we rotate it, it basically is the same. And enlarge it because it was too little to see. And slide it over to the edge. I think we're gonna put this little hashtag looking thing as our center. All right, so now we can just anchor that layer, go down to our template layer, and start painting this in. 1, 2, like that, and then there's one here, and then there's that. Then the white does an extra there. And a dot here. There's our diamond in the middle. There's 2 off of this side, 2 here. So there's our hashtag again. There's a dot here, and then this comes in. And that's how we end it. Not quite perfect, but considering if we shortened it out in order to make it perfect, you'd almost be taking off 2 rows off the top and bottom. That would make it considerably shorter. So I think it's kind of okay the way it is. I think we're going to leave it like that. It is nice and symmetrical, so I can potentially work out how this goes off of just doing the right hand side here. So, and yeah, this is yeah, that worked out fine. The next one here. And these are all just basically going in nice straight rows. Probably won't exactly be how we knot it, but yeah, maybe. The segmenting, I think, on this one should be really good. There's like big areas, so this should go pretty easy. And then this one. So that gets our dot in the center that we were missing. Again with the dot in the center. Some of these strings will definitely get used more than others. I can't tell you which one is necessarily gonna be the worst, but yeah, it's definitely not consistent. All right, so that's all of that. We can well, we can make this easier. All we gotta do is hit the select by color. Let's find something close to white. And we'll go with this pinkish color. Go to our paint tool and hit fill hole selection, and bam, just like that, it's all done. All right, now let's hide our example and finish up this pattern. Get the select tool and select our top right quarter of it. Copy paste, flip tool off of our vertical line, so that way we have the whole top. Now we have to anchor it and merge it down. Then we can grab the whole top half. Control C, Control V, this time off the horizontal line, flip it again with the anchoring it and merging it down. And there we go. So you got 3 hashtags in it, a little bit of something that starts it off as well as the end. I think that looks kind of cool. I think I'm actually looking forward to this one. Might be a little bit easier than a couple of the last ones we've done, but we'll see. Before I go, let me thank my YouTube members for making this possible. Again, if you want to be added to the list, it's really easy. It's $4 a month, and it goes a long ways to making these videos happen. So thank you to everybody who's already contributing. Thank you if you're thinking about it. And if not, well, you know, that's okay too. Just hit the like button instead. That'll actually help us without you having to pay anything, right? And yeah, as always, don't get your strings in a bunch.